Welcome to this review and instructional tutorial of the spy camera. This is the box that it comes in. I'm going to open the box. Here's the user manual. So let's take a look at the user manual. This is the charger and the SYNC cable. It's a micro USB cable. This is the camera. And this is the band that the camera goes into. Okay, so this is the camera. I'm going to remove this screen protector. Now the first thing you need to do is to install a micro SD card. So right here is the micro SD card slot. So you insert the micro SD card in like so. You push the card in, and when you feel and hear it click, it's properly installed. And the card is properly installed. Right here is where you plug in the charging and sync cable to charge and sync the camera. Okay, so I'm going to put the band on. Okay, now what appears to be a fitness bracelet wristwatch is actually a camera. If you look here, you can see the lens right there. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so I charged the camera. To charge it, just plug it into the computer with the included charging cable, and you're going to see a charging symbol appear as the camera is charging. Now when it's fully charged, you're going to notice that the battery meter is going to show that it's full. Okay, now with the camera charged, I'm going to power it on. Power it on. As you can see right here, there is a circle oval symbol over here. Just gently rest your finger over that for about 2 seconds, and it's going to power on. Okay. So now the camera is in standby mode. Now to record video, the top button is to activate and record video, and the bottom button is to activate and record audio. So this is the video button, this is the audio record button. Now when you press the video button, you're going to see a solid heart symbol. Okay, as you can see, it's a solid heart symbol, and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording video and save the video file, press the video button. The heart symbol goes away, and the video has been saved. To record audio, press the audio record button. As you can see, there is a heart symbol that's hollow. And right now, the camera is recording audio. To stop recording audio, press the audio record button. Heart symbol just went away, and the audio file has been saved. And the camera is now back in standby mode. So when you stop recording video and audio, the camera goes back into standby mode. Now the display, as you just saw, went off. It goes off automatically if there are no functions. So if the camera is not being used, the display will automatically go off on its own. So the camera will still be functioning based on what you did. The display is just automatically going to go off. Now if you press the video or record button when the display is off, it will not activate the video or audio. So let me show you. Right now the camera is in standby mode. So if I press the video button, for example, it's not recording. You see, the symbol is not there. So you would have to press it again. And now it's recording video. So I'm going to stop recording video. the video file that I just recorded is saved, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now, if you're recording video and you don't want the display to show at all as it's recording, you could record video and then you can just press the touch button and the display will go off. So let me show you. So I'm recording video now. So if I want the display to go off immediately, I just press the touch button and the camera is still recording. And if you want the display to go back on, just to see that it's recording video, just press it and it's recording video. Okay, so I'm going to stop recording video. Now to power the camera off, just press and hold down the touch button for about 2 seconds. And the camera is now powered off. Now if the camera is not functioning properly, you can reset it. To reset it, simultaneously press and hold down the video button and the audio record button, and the camera will reset. So I'm going to do that now. And there you go, the camera is reset. It will also power the camera off. To remove the band, just pull it like so. And it comes out. If you need to remove the micro SD card, just push the tip of your finger against the micro SD card, push it in. You're going to feel in here it click, and you can just pull it out like so. I'm going to put it back in. Now, if the memory card is not installed or it detects a defective memory card, it will automatically power off in 5 seconds. When the camera is not in use and is in standby mode, it will automatically power off in about 30 seconds. Now to transfer the video and the audio files that you took on the camera to the computer, just connect the included cable to the computer and it's going to be detected via mass storage. There's no software required and you can just drag and drop the files on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to be recording some footage with the camera, so please stay tuned.
Okay, this is a test. This Fly Watch camera. Currently doing an audio test to hear how the audio turns out, and a video test to see how the video turns out. So here we go. It is windy today, as you can see right there.
So there you have it. This was an instructional tutorial and review of the Spy camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.